Hi all, welcome to Farming for the Future. Now today we are doing portable irrigation. As you can see, we've got a new field here. This whole field is a new development. So today we are doing portable irrigation. Okay, this is all planted as avos on contours, as you can see behind me. Very beautiful. We've put some husks, new husks over there to retain the moisture of the soil. So these trees are growing beautifully. Unfortunately, they did go back a bit. Let me just show you here. As you can see here, all this black stuff on the tree is tree sealant. Okay, so the hail damaged these little trees, and we had to come back, prune them a little bit, apply this little tree sealant here to cover all these patches of the tree that are damaged. And then here we've introduced a new system. Okay, so we used to irrigate with this little fingers of the pipe, but the pipe was longer and we were using buckets, which made it very difficult. So you had to put water in the bucket first before you put water on the tree. And what usually happens is when you put water first, you put the bucket on the tree and you pour the water over, this whole husks are moving to the side, so exposing the surface of the soil. Then when it gets hot, the soil gets drier quickly. So what we're doing now is we introduce this new system. Okay, we actually bought this and assembled this ourselves, and we're putting it here on the tree like this. What it does is it half the time of putting this water here. It used to take us like almost 2 minutes to put 2 buckets of water here, which is 40 liters. But now with this system, we've got stopwatches, and then we putting it the water here, and then we are basically doing it in 36 seconds instead of 2 minutes, which is way faster. As you can see, the stopwatch here. How many minutes? Peter, how many minutes?
29, 36 minutes.
36
seconds.
Second.
Okay. So it takes 36 seconds.
You have 36 with us.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So what it does, 36 seconds to fill up 40 liters with this new system. And we've got our best tractor right here. This is the biggest tractor almost on the farm. I love it so much. Very fast. You can see on top there, we've got 2 rows. One tractor covers 2 rows, 2 pipes. One on top of the contour, watering, and another pipe at the bottom here. So, how many seconds? 15 seconds. 15 seconds.
17 seconds. 18, 19.
Okay. So what do you have to do? Turn this around like this. Okay. How many seconds?
30,
Almost.
36.
36. Okay. So every 36 seconds we move to a new tree. So 40 liters takes 36 seconds on a tree. Okay, much faster. Alright, so previously we'd be having 8 units, 2 holding pipes, 2 putting water in buckets, 2 buckets. So it was hell of a annoying system, and it took twice as long. So we'd go through this field in like 3 weeks. Now it takes us like 10 days to go through this whole field. So it's a very beautiful system. And if you look at the trees, how they're planted here, very nicely. In line, not slashed. And then what we've done here, we've put a cover crop. Okay, all around here. Because it's planted on contours and it's very steep, we put cover crop so that when it rains, this contours doesn't erode. Okay, as you can see here, the soil is still intact. The cover crops have kept the soil nicely. Okay, oops, here's a bit too much husks. So what we usually do, we remove the husk a bit from the tree so that it doesn't burn the tree. These things have helped a lot, which came with the tree. So yeah, very amazing to see how that happens. Okay. saw next tractor coming down there.